To activate your TD Bank debit card online, follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure you have your debit card and other required information ready. You will need your card number, expiration date, and security code, as well as your TD Bank online banking username and password. Start by going to the TD Bank website and logging into your online banking account. If you do not have an online banking account, you will need to enroll. First, click on the Enroll button and follow the prompts to create your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services or Card Services section. Look for the option to activate your debit card and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter the required information and click Continue. You may be asked to create a PIN for your debit card. Choose a unique and secure PIN, and confirm it by re-entering it. Review the terms and conditions. Then click Activate to complete the activation process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your debit card has been activated. You can now use your debit card to make purchases, withdraw cash, and access your account. For security purposes, make sure to sign the back of your debit card and keep it in a safe place. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, you can contact TD Bank customer service for assistance.